Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys the best platforms to buy cryptocurrency. So keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So what we're going to do is gear this video towards those of you that want to buy crypto. You know, you've seen all the marketing, you've heard people talk about it. It's like, I just want to get some crypto. So that's what I'm going to do. I have different options for all of you, whether you're beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And to give you a background, I've been investing in crypto for the past 6 years, roughly. I started investing heavily 2 to 3 years ago, and I'm very familiar. For myself, I'm a Canadian. I used to live in the States, to give you guys an idea. So depending on where you're at globally, things will be different as well, but I got you covered. So right now the market's doing well. We are Thursday, January 2nd, 2024. I'll hit it with a quick refresh. And yeah, you're probably going to want to start to get exposure to crypto. But again, it's up to you. I'm not your financial advisor, just a loose moose. So what is the easiest way? And we're going to start off with, if you're Canadian, Wealthsimple is it's the simple way to get into crypto. Guys, download this app. Also, if you're using a TFSA, a tax-free savings account, you have an RSP, if you guys want to buy stocks, I think this is the perfect app. Sure, the fees are not the best. Okay. What we're getting at here is just getting exposure to it. Okay. I am a stickler for a lot of things too. I like buying Bitcoin at the lowest price. Okay. You guys can comment down below, where you currently buy your crypto as well. But this is for Canadians. I don't think this is accessible for anybody outside of Canada. I'm not 100% sure. But me as a Canadian, and I'm speaking to other fellow Canadians, guys, if you want to get into a habit of investing, not just crypto, but TFSA, this is the best way. They make it super simple. I've bought Cardano through this. If you guys go to account types, you have your RSPs. I just do TFSA with this. You can also set up a checking, but crypto, they have a nice crypto option. And they make it simple. It's visually beautiful. And it's something that you can build over the years. It's something that I trust and use. Not as much as hardware wallets, which we'll talk about. But guys, you can even stake. Like, the fact that we have tools like this and people aren't using it, I'm astounded. Guys, if you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, the top tokens, just use Wealthsimple. So that's one option. Number two, also if you're Canadian, US, other countries as well, I'm pretty sure they support. Guys, this is another great option. You guys can download the Coinbase app, set up the desktop app, and you can begin to buy and trade. You could do more trading. Here you got individuals. You also have advanced trading. Okay. This is going to be similar to like using a bank where you set up an account, and the one downside to using stuff like this, and we'll talk about it, but to keep it beginner friendly, is these are going to be, what would you say, self-custodial options. So these companies will hold crypto for you and they allow you to access crypto. So they may on the back end utilize cold storage, so they have their crypto safe. But what you're interacting with is more of like a bank account. But there's nothing wrong with that, especially long term, especially when you want to buy and sell. You know, when the market's hot, you want to sell, you want to use something like a Coinbase or Binance, right? So of course they're targeting, the moose as a Canadian, but you can also earn 10% APY. So you're not going to earn that with ADA, but perhaps with DOT. DOT's probably pretty high. You got Cosmos, Solana. I mean, guys, I read these ticker symbols probably better than words on paper. Like, that's how loose the moose has gotten. But guys, comment down below. What are your thoughts on Wealthsimple and Coinbase? Guys, I think Coinbase is still a good option. I have an account. I don't hold crypto on there. I don't hold any crypto on Wealthsimple, but I've bought some through Wealthsimple, especially just getting into the habit. Okay. Now, my number one, my favorite, it's going to be crypto.com. So crypto.com is one of the big boys, one of the top exchanges or places you can buy crypto, and their app is phenomenal. Takes a little bit more time to set up, but guys, you can download crypto.com. I will also provide a link for you as well. So I'll provide a link for you guys, and perhaps that will save you like $10 off, or perhaps something down the road as well. I think you have to upgrade and get a card, but I do have the red card. I do have the red metal card, so I get a little bit of Crow token. So this project, they have their own token called Crow, and it did very well in the last bull run. But the reason I like this, similar to what you do with Wealthsimple in Coinbase, is you send an e-transfer, especially for those Canadians, right? Speaking to the fellow Canucks, right? You guys playing shinny out on the ice, going top corner on, quality goalies, hopefully, in the beer league. But guys, all you have to do is send money like an e-transfer or a bank transfer to your crypto.com account, and then you can then buy some Bitcoin, Ethereum, get exposure, and you can easily sell. You got these simple buttons for depositing. To give you guys an idea as well, head over to the channel. Okay, so we now have 5,000 subscribers. Big milestone in my opinion. If you guys want to, what you can do is go here and write crypto.com. And here I teach you how to buy crypto using crypto.com. So I built out this channel. We have over 700 videos. It will be over 1,000 videos, an entire library for you down the road. How to withdraw crypto. So guys, I teach you step by step how to buy, how to withdraw, okay? And the best part about this is that you could also withdraw your crypto from any of these options to something like a hardware wallet. So if you guys are not familiar, the best way to truly own your crypto is in a non-custodial fashion. So you can custody your crypto, meaning you own the private keys. You guys can save 10% off using code Moose. So the Moose is helping you out, guys. Guys, I helped my grandma buy some crypto. I swear, like, she's already wanting to panic sell. That'll be a different video. I'm gonna have to do a day in the life of Moose, trying to convince my grandma to keep her crypto. But that's just what's going on. So here, yeah, you guys have great options. There's the Bitcoin only. I just ordered these. And if you guys want, just like I talked about before, you can go here, write TANGEM. And I have step-by-step guides teaching you guys how to identify which wallet's best for you, and also how to set up things like TANGEM, Trezors, ledgers. So I have codes and everything for you. I believe I have, let's see, Coinbase. I know I have one on how to withdraw. There you go. So how to send crypto to your TANGEM wallet. So if you guys do, for example, buy crypto on even Coinbase, any exchange that you use, these are the top 3 that I like. I have tutorials to teach you guys how to withdraw, how to send your crypto from an exchange to cold storage for long-term crypto protection. So guys, with that being said, the Moose is loose. We're about to go in the bull run. Guys, party's on, man. Party's on. Comment down below, what are your best platforms to buy crypto? These are mine. And guys, give them a shot, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.